Hello my beautiful friends. So this is Ganen and here I am going to tell you how to practice in English. Today again I am going to tell you one beautiful story. This story will entertain you. So watch this video till the end so that you can get to know how to practice in English and how to achieve fluency and how to remove fear. By telling stories you will train your mind and tongue. So I want you to do this. So how to do? Just watch this video till the end so that you can get to know all the things. So today I am going to tell you one story. You must have heard this story. This story belongs to monkey and crocodile. So let's start, guys. So there was a monkey who was alone, living in a blackberry tree beside the river. He was happy because he had lots of sweet fruits. He used to eat fruit and enjoyed a lot. But he was alone. He felt bored sometimes because he didn't have any friend to talk, to share his thought. One day, one crocodile appeared from the river and he came near the blackberry tree. Seeing that crocodile, monkey got happy. The first time he saw someone, so he started talking to that crocodile. He said, "Hello." Then he asked, "Hey, would you like to eat some fruits?" Then crocodile said, "Yeah, sure." Then that monkey plucked some sweet blackberries near the branch and he gave that. Then that crocodile ate those fruits and he found those fruits amazing, like delectable. So then crocodile, he said, "I want to make friendship with you. Would you like to become my friend?" Then monkey said, "Yes, sure, why not? Even I don't have friend." From that day they both became best friends. Crocodile every day he ate lots of fruits and he talked to monkey. One day monkey gave some blackberries to crocodile and he took those blackberries to his home. That day crocodile got late to reach his home. So his wife was so worried as well as angry. As soon as crocodile reached his home, that his wife started shouting at crocodile, "Why these days, what are you doing? You come late from outside. What are you doing? You don't care me, you don't love me. I think you have found someone." Then crocodile smiled and he said, "No, it's not like that. I love you, I do care you. So today I have brought something for you." Then his wife said, "Oh, what?" Then she was given some those sweets fruit given by monkey. Then his wife ate and she also found amazing taste. She said, "Oh my God, I had never ever eaten such kind of fruits. These fruits are so delicious. From where have you got?" Then crocodile revealed everything. He said, "Yes, I have one friend who lives in blackberry trees and he has lots of sweet fruit." Then his wife thought, "Oh my God." So she asked her husband, that crocodile, "Okay, does your friend eat every day this kind of fruit?" Then crocodile said, "Yes, every day he eats." Then his wife said, "Oh, it means his heart must be sweeter than these fruits because he eats every day." Then his wife made up her mind and he said to her husband that, "No, I need his heart. Any at any cost, you have to bring his heart to me. Then her husband, that crocodile, said angrily, have you gone mad? He is my friend. What are you saying? I can't kill him. Then his wife pulled a long face. And she said, I will not talk to you. I will never ever talk to you. You don't love me. You don't care me. You just pretend to love me and this and that. Then crocodile made her tried to make her understand, but she didn't understand. Then crocodile made up his mind to bring monkey's heart. So he promised his wife, okay, I will bring, don't worry. Then crocodile went to the monkey, and he said to monkey, hey, let's go. Today I will explore this. Today I will explore you this entire river. Just come and sit on my back. So monkey was his friend, so he believed. So monkey believed in him because he was his friend. So monkey sat on the back of crocodile, and crocodile started going deep in the river. When he reached in the middle of the river, he revealed that, hey monkey, today I have brought you because my wife, she wants to eat your heart. So I'm so sorry for this. I'm so sorry for this. Then monkey got shocked. He got taken aback as soon as he heard. He said, what are you doing? Monkey was so clever. He immediately ran his mind, and he said, oh, why didn't you tell me before? My heart is in the tree. Of course, I would love to give my heart to Bhabiji, to your wife. So just take me back. I will bring that heart, my heart. Then crocodile said, okay, let's go then. Then crocodile reached along with that monkey, that blackberry tree, and monkey jumped onto the into the tree, and he said, hey stupid crocodile, I will never ever believe in you. I will never ever give you any kind of fruit. Just go, bugger off from here. From now onward, we are not friend. We are not friend anymore. So crocodile said, what are you saying? Just come and bring your heart. He said, stupid, who keeps his heart in the tree? Heart is supposed to be inside the body, not somewhere else. Just bugger off from here. Then crocodile became like sad, and he returned to his home. So guys, it was the story. So I hope you must have liked this story. What I have done, I haven't done anything except speaking past some sentences. So you have to do this. You just think. आप बस बोलते हो कि मैं इंग्लिश कैसे बोलूँ. जब मैं इंग्लिश बोलता हूँ तो मिस्टेक करता हूँ. I was also making bunch of mistake while earlier I spoke lots of mistakes. Even I was not able to speak my name. That I was not able to introduce myself, let alone speak entire story, let alone speak this thing, that thing. So it happens just because of my consistency and just because of my practice. So if you do practice, definitely you are gonna be like me. So don't waste your time, guys. Don't like compare yourself others. Don't run here and there. Just save your time and believe in you and start practicing every day by yourself. It's a language, guys. You can speak. So I hope you must have liked the video. Please subscribe and stick to my channel. If you really want to take class, you are welcome. Bye.